Uganda CDF General Muhoozi issues stern warnings on land grabbing and personal challenges. In a series of intense and provocative tweets over the past hour, Uganda's Minister of Defense, CDF, General Muhoozi has sent strong messages addressing key national issues and personal challenges. Crackdown on land grabbers. General Muhoozi expressed deep concern over rampant land grabbing affecting vulnerable Ugandans. He called on citizens to send him names of the worst offenders, promising decisive action. I have heard of the crimes committed against the most vulnerable Ugandans. When it comes to land grabbing, send me the names of the worst land grabbers in the country, and we will work with God's help to arrest them all. The statement signals a potential crackdown on land grabbing, a persistent problem in Uganda that has displaced many and sparked social unrest. Addressing a political rival, Ssekikubo is finished. In a direct and confrontational message, Muhoozi warned a figure named Ssekikubo, declaring Ssekikubo is going to face a firing squad. Ssekikubo is finished, though the context behind this threat is unclear. It marks a significant escalation in Muhoozi's rhetoric against perceived adversaries. Analysts interpret this as part of ongoing political or personal disputes. He also talked about boxing challenge to Bobi, adding a mix of bravado and metaphorical language. Muhoozi tweeted about a boxing match with Bobi, that is Bobi Wine. Me and Bobi Wine still have a boxing match. We have unfinished businesses. Bobi is the very small fly we have allowed in our Ugandan house, but I'm going to beat him up physically very soon. This statement appears to symbolize Muhoozi's resolve to confront smaller scale opponents or challenges in the political arena. There has been also personal reflections and family ties. In a more reflective tweet, Muhoozi quoted a spiritual message. Remember, your Father knows what you need before you ask them. This should be a reason to pray. Additionally, Muhoozi shared his affection for Rwanda and President Paul Kagame. I love Rwanda very much. That is my own. But I especially love my uncle, President Kagame. There has been public reaction. The tweets have generated thousands of responses with mixed reactions. Supporters praise Muhoozi's tough stance on land issues and political rivals, while critics warned that such inflammatory language could worsen political tensions. The Ministry of Defense has not released further clarification on the tweets. Observers are also said to be watching closely to see if any concrete actions will follow.